Good morning friends, welcome back to the channel. Hope you all are doing absolutely fine. Today is 17th July 2018 and we don't have any plan to go somewhere. So just thought to do some fishing, have some fun. Let's go and do some fishing work. Let's go. We need patience. Last day we got only one fish in 1 hour. Still now no fish. The weather is very bad. The fish are not eating. They are just roaming in the top of the water, surface of the water. They are just roaming. The weather is very cloudy. We need some windy weather. Then the fish got hungry and they eat. So we have to wait and have patience. We are waiting and this is very adventure. We are listening the sound of animals, birds and waiting for the fish. And look, the pond was getting, the side of the pond was slowly destroyed due to soil erosion, and they are using these red tiles to protect this whole pond. Look. Nice technology. যাবে ছোট কাঠিতে কত কি লাগে ছোট কাঠিতে দানাতে ভেঙে না তুমি এদিক দিয়ে ওঠো না এদিক উঠবি দাঁড়া সামনে মাছ ধরা যায় না ওই কিন্তু বেরোতে পারতো না বলো দানাটা ভেঙে গেল দানাটা ভেঙে গেল হাত থেকে ওই তো ওখানে পালাচ্ছিল কেন বুঝলি বিগ ওয়ান পেটে ডিম আছে মনে হচ্ছে After a lot of patience, নাকি বুঝিনি মাছগুলো আছে বিগ ফিশ এটা রহু আছে আস্তে ছেড়ে গেছে দড়ি ধরো রোপ স্টিং দুটো চলো উপরে আর বেশি ধরুন না বুঝলি চলে যাও কাল বড় আছে চারশো ধরে এটার উপরে ডিম আছে Rohu carf. It has egg in the stomach. 500 গ্রাম হবে After a lot of patience, the weather changed and the wind starts, and we finally got two Rohu carp. Look. They have egg in the stomach. Now it's time to go home. We are happy with these two fishes. We are got the success after a lot of patience, and we are taking the two fish towards the home. Let's go. If you have noticed, while catching these fish, the fishing sticks broke because the sticks are not strong, and unfortunately the stick broke. But we had the success. We caught the two fishes. Look. And also in today's menu there is crab, small crabs. Look, this is the first stick which broke from here, and this is the second stick which broke from here, but we got the fishes. So far so good.
বার করতে পারছি না এটা কাটি চাইছি
মেল ফিমেল
না সেই কিছু একটা দিতে হবে
This one is hilsa curry. This one is crab ombol. Old chingri. This one is broken palki. I like it. Here is one big stick, and here is also a big stick, and ladies used to sit here, and 4 to 8 people carry this on their shoulder like this. This prototype version of palki, like this one also. This is dheki. These two are prototype version model. Here rice is given and it is made dust like this. These two are prototype version. You are watching this picture. He is my maternal grandfather and she is my maternal grandmother. We always miss them, and if you have watched my previous blog, the small temples in Burning Ghat, there are temples of them also in their memory. We miss them a lot. In today's lunch, we don't eat the fish which we have caught because the menu was already set. We will eat those fish, fresh fish in the dinner. And look, now drizzling started again. The weather is instantly changing and now it's drizzling. I think I can't go outside anymore, and tomorrow morning we'll leave. Actually we'll go to my sister's house. Let's see. Just now the rain stopped, but still it's cloudy. I think I can't go outside. And now I'll share one small story. Yesterday me and my father went to the other side of the village and we met some different community, especially they were all Mohammedan community, and they seen us that we are from outside and they asked from where we belong, from where we came, and we gave a reference of my grandfather, my maternal grandfather. You have seen the photo. We told them that we belong to Mr. Bhavesh Chandra Roy's family, and with a single saying his name they can still remember him, and they start telling all the good stories belongs to him and with them, because he was very good person. He has a very good will, even to the different community and different part of the village. And I realized and I talked with them and I realized that the community, the religion doesn't matter. It's better that the person you are, the behavior, the mentality you have, and that's all matter. My grandfather passed decades ago and still his name is in each and every part of the village, and I was really surprised and I realized that community, religion doesn't matter. Which religion you belong, which community you belong doesn't matter. It's all is you, your mentality, your behavior, and your humanity, love, positiveness, and that's all matter. I just realized and I shared. Hope many of you will like my view or not, I don't know, but I realized what I have shared with you, and I was really shocked, and it feels good that we belong to a single country and there are so many communities, so many religions, like a single family. That's very good, very good. I'm proud of my country now. That's all. Brought some maka sandesh, special sweets from Khalna for my sister. I like this painting. This is painted by my brother Monodip Roy. Nice painting, bro. Keep it up. And just now I had my dinner, and tomorrow morning I am leaving and I will go to my sister's house in Kolkata. I will miss this village Khalna, peaceful and in the midst of nature, so green, and everywhere there is pond. In the midst of nature, it's awesome adventure over here, and that was amazing. I always miss my maternal house, and that's all for today. And in the dinner we had those fish. I can't vlog at that time. I can't show you the fried fish, and that's all. So friends, goodbye, take care, see you in the next blog, and now I'll go to sleep, feeling sleepy, and stay positive and spread love, humanity. That's all. Till then, bye bye, good night, see you in the next blog.